Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel noise in the background if you're using Voice Memo on iPhone. So if you're someone that uses Voice Memo app to record your voice, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable voice cancellation or to filter out noise. Here's how to do it. Open the Voice Memo app and click on the new voice you just recorded. If you want to enable noise cancellation or filter out noise, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on Options, and here you're going to see where it says Enhance Recording. Enable this and click on OK. Now it will cancel the background noise. So that's how you enable noise cancellation on Voice Memo app on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.